Hi guys! Tita Ganda here again. Ito na po ang isang klase ng sakura na namumukadkad ngayong cherry blossom season. Tingnan nyo po. So, very nice and talagang napakaganda po niyan. Ito po ang sikat na sakura or cherry blossom here in Japan. So, season po ng sakura, which is cherry blossom, kaya marami pong nagse-celebrate every last week of March and hanggang April po yan. So marami pong mga events sa mga iba't ibang parks dito sa Japan. So I'm gonna share it with you. Magagandang people like Tita Ganda here. So sana hope you like it, and I'm gonna be uploading some videos about sakura. Okay guys. Okay guys, so here's another type of sakura which I have told you a while ago. Yung sinabi sa kanina, iba pang klase ng sakura ito na may enjoy natin this springtime. So it's Tita Ganda here. Sana ma-enjoy ninyo at maraming pa po akong i-share at i-upload. Okay guys.